Hi, this is a video where I install the RXP dual catch can on my 2025 F-150 3.5 liter Powerboost King Ranch. The reason I'm videoing this is, one, I made a modification to the can and I wanted to share what and why I did it. And two, the instructions on the instruction page of RXP are not current, at least for the 2025 truck. One of the things that's new is this coolant. In the kit, they wanted you to hook the bracket to this nut, and then the catch can would have set where this coolant can is. What I did is took their hardware. Now, I did add this L bracket to give me some up and down support, but the rest of the bracketry is all from RXP. Now, I have 25 photos of what I did and how I did it that I'll explain, but there's still photos, and the video will be much shorter by me doing it that way. So once I do this quick video, then I'll go do narration of photo by photo. So again, you can see the two catch cans. The side port for the small can goes to a T, and that runs from, either one of these are interchangeable. Either one of these lower ports are interchangeable, and they both go to an intake. This one with the one-way valve goes to the intake on the passenger side. This one with a one-way valve. Then there's a T, so it can plumb into this small can. And then the rest of it goes down to the turbo inlet. So they're both inlets. This was, according to the instructions, would be plumbed into the stock tube coming out of the intake that would have gone to the turbo input. But I just eliminated that and plumbed this directly into the valve cover like they had it. So it used to go from the valve cover down to the turbo inlet. Now it goes from the valve cover to the top of the small. And this top one, the top center post, goes to the output of the valve cover, the PVC valve cover on the passenger side. The only other thing I'll point out is this right here, and I'll explain it all, but basically what that is I drilled and tapped and made a rod, my own dipstick, so I can check the fluid level in the can before I go through the process of, you're not going to see it, but down at the bottom of each of these cans, and I have a picture of it, you'll see where I have it plumbed into a Y down here. This is coming out of the small can. This is coming out of the big can. It goes into a Y, and then it drains to the ground, so I can put it under a drip pan. So I'm going to pause this video and then go to my stills, and we'll wrap it up.